Hi, I'm Katie with WTI. I wanted to keep our beautiful new cabinets looking beautiful and new, so I went with this EVALAND shelf liner. I'm really happy with it because first of all, it is non-stick. So it's not contact paper, it's not something that you have to push the bubbles out and make sure it's nice and smooth and then it takes forever to get off if you want to change it out. It's so smooth that it's almost like it grips the surface and it's not going to slide around on you. And then the other side has these little dots on it to help grip your items so they don't slide around either. This roll is 33 feet long. So I have done every single shelf, drawer, cabinet in my kitchen and also my refrigerator, and I still have quite a bit left. It's really easy to measure and to cut just with a pair of scissors. You don't need a razor blade. I love that you can rinse and wash this off and keep using it. It's especially ideal for the refrigerator. We always have spills in there, and sometimes, I hate to admit it, but I just let it go because I don't want to pull the entire drawer or shelf out to rinse it off. Now I can just pull the liner out, rinse it off, put it back in. Or if it's really bad, then I can just put more liner in there because I have so much of it. This shelf liner by EVALAND has filled all of my needs. I'm very impressed with how easy it is to use and that it's washable and reusable. That saves me time, money, and effort. But that's just my point of view.